Afternoon, it's the Guy Safety Dashcam man. We've just finished installing an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser into this BMW 525. We'll give you a quick demonstration of how it works. In this vehicle it's on gearbox lock, so we can start the vehicle. You can see the vehicle starts and it holds its revs. However, the minute you take it out of park, the car will cut off, so keep an eye on the gearbox and keep an eye on the rev counter here. You'll see that if we move, you can see the vehicle cuts off immediately, and from now it will refuse to start. So we've got the start button here. You can see nothing happens, that's the vehicle immobilised. If we now pop in a pin to start the vehicle, so just for demonstration purposes we've programmed in a pin that will be getting changed. So 4 clicks of the volume button here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have this lamp, engine management light flash twice, and we can start the car. And now the difference will be that you'll see that we can actually move into drive. Vehicle goes into drive and it retains its revs. If you're after something similar installed, please don't hesitate to give us a shout. Thank you.